Hello and welcome back to another video. We have a Hiseeu indoor and outdoor smart solar battery camera. You're gonna install the application and add a device. You can access it remotely. It has AI analysis, battery powered, multi-user sharing, two-way audio, full HD camera, human detection, solar powered, and color night vision. Here is the box. Let's see what we have inside. When you open it, first of all, you have user manual. Let's see, shows everything. The most interesting part is when you look at the box, it is very small. Look at that. Let's see. Okay. We have the solar panel. Solar panel is kind of small compared to other ones. We have the mounting tools for the camera and the solar panel. And here are the screws. We have additional USB cable for charging. Let's go ahead and take it out. Here is the camera. Lens, camera, LED lights, indicator, and the sensor. Look at this, very small. And when you open it, you're gonna see turn on and off, and charging place, and SD card, and if you want to reset it, there's the reset button. And here is the tool for resetting. The speaker. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Please configure the network.
Alright, we're gonna configure the network. Here is the application. We're gonna go ahead and download it and come back. Right there. The application, it is called Hiseeu Cloud. It's coming. And I'm gonna download it and create an account and come back. As you see, Hiseeu Cloud. Alright, I installed it and created the account. Right now we're gonna add a camera. It found it already. Let's go ahead and add it. I already added, and it is trying
Wireless settings, please wait.
It is trying to connect. Just a second. Let's see what's going on there.
The wireless connection is successful.
It is successful. And just choose something that you like. And now it is added. Let's go ahead and see. Wow, look at that. It is great. Okay, this is under the light. We're gonna check it out at night and I'll show you. There's no interruptions. There is nothing, even though I'm moving it too fast. Let's go ahead and try two-way audio talk. Initiating. Hello?
Hello?
Hello. As you see, it is two-way talk. Hello. This is SD. Let's go ahead and try to do Ultra HD. HD. SD. Let's see. This is SD. This is HD. You see, the quality is good. And what else? Alarm. Okay. Take a picture. And you can record it on your phone. When you look at it, it's right there, the signal. What else? It shows events. You can have cloud storage, photo album, more motion detection. You can do motion detection on and off, infrared night vision. You can even turn it on and off, and siren. Under the settings, screen sound, motion detection alert, motion detection area. Wow, they put it also. You can do custom or cordon. Okay, continue to set up. You can set up like this, however you like. Wow, that's the cordon mode, area mode. You can just choose and confirm. White alarm, siren settings. Okay. You can share the device. You can share the device. Alarm push, always effective. Screen, humanate detection frame. You can mark the people. You can mark people. Let's see. Look at that. It is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put it outside. This is under the light, but I'm gonna put it outside. Let's see. Alright, we're outside, and I put it right there for testing purposes. Right there. See, it is very clear. Even though I'm outside, the signal is strong. I really liked it. Alright, my flashlight is on, as you see on the phone. When I just hold it like that, as you see, it says it's charging. When you look at the area, it is recording wide angle. Look at that. My phone even is not taking all the area, but this one is taking all the areas. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out during the daytime. Right now it's in SD mode. The camera is still there. Let's go ahead and check it out with HD mode. You can see the changes. SD. Yep. You can see the green rectangle when you move. You can see. My phone connection is not good because It is getting the Wi-Fi from my router, that's why. Camera is right there. It can detect very fast. And as you see, it's just putting me in a rectangle, green rectangle, to show who that is. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.